How to quickly add the camera to NVR. Connect devices. Scenario 1. Connect devices following the diagram. Power on the NVR. Scenario 2. Connect devices following the diagram. Power on the NVR. Activate the NVR. Select language, set time zone, set date and time. Click OK. Set the login password. Re-enter it in the Confirm Password box. Enter your email address. Click Activate. If you want to use a pattern to unlock the GUI, draw an unlock pattern. Ensure that the connection status is connected. Click Next. Wait a moment. The video cloud is online. Click OK. Add a new camera. Click Configuration. Click the refresh icon next to the online camera. Wait a moment. The camera will be automatically added to the Added Camera section. Click Live View to check monitoring images. Now you can manage the NVR. If you want to manage the NVR with IPCOM View app, scan with the IPCOM View app to add the device within 30 minutes after the device is connected to the cloud. Enable the cloud maintenance function. If you want to connect to ProFi Cloud, scan with the IPCOM ProFi app to add the device.